Today we start a chapter 2 polynomial exercise 2.4 question number 3. This is the last question of this exercise in the chapter. If the polynomial x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial x square minus 2x plus a, the remainder comes out to be x plus a. Find x and a. Here question में ऐसा कहा है biquadratic polynomial है. This is the dividend polynomial that is called a p of x, and that one is the divisor polynomial that is equal to g of x, and that one is a r of x, means remainder polynomial x plus a. First we write down p of x is equal to x raised to power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. G of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus a, and that one is a remainder r of x is equal to x plus a. To find unknown numbers x and a. Okay. Here p of x divided by g of x. Okay. Therefore x square multiplied with x square, that is equal to x raised to power 4. Therefore x square multiply whole divisor polynomial, that is equal to x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus kx. K is an unknown number. Change the sign. That one is 0. Minus 6x cube plus 2x cube, that means minus 4x cube. Here 16x square and that term is minus kx square. X square is a common factor. Therefore, the remaining term is 16 minus k into bracket x square. How to write? 16x square minus kx square. Here x square is common, into bracket 16 minus k, and minus 25x as it is. Okay. See, next x square multiplied by minus 4x, that is equal to minus 4x cube. Therefore, x square multiplied minus 4x, that is minus 4x cube, minus 4x multiply minus 2x, that means positive 8x square, and k multiply minus 4x, that means minus 4kx. Again change the sign, positive, negative, positive. That term is 0. Here again x square and x square is common. Therefore the remaining term into bracket 16 minus k minus 8. Again x square and x square is common. Remaining term is 16 minus k and minus 8 plus 16 minus k minus 8 into bracket x square. Here similarly x is common. 4kx is positive sign and 25x is negative sign. Therefore x is common, that is equal to plus positive 4k minus 25 plus positive 4k minus 25 and plus 10 as it is. Okay, understand this one? 16 minus 8, that is equal to positive 8 minus k into x square plus 4k minus 25 into bracket x plus 10. Again x square multiply by number 8 minus k, that is equal to 8 minus k into x square. Therefore x square multiply 8 minus k, positive 8 minus k multiply x square, that is equal to 8 minus k into x square. Be carefully this simplification. Minus 2x multiply 8k. 8k multiply, that is equal to here x is common, 8 minus k into 2x, and last term is plus 8 minus k into k, that is equal to 8k minus k square. Here you remember, write down this step. Here x is common, therefore multiply 2 minus 2 multiply with 8, that is equal to minus 16. Correction this step. 8 minus 2 multiply minus 2, that means minus 16, and minus k multiply with minus 2, that is equal to plus 2k into bracket x. Again 8 multiply minus 2 means minus 16, minus k multiply with minus 2, that is equal to plus 2k, and x is common. Again change the sign, minus minus minus. Okay, this term is 0, therefore this here x is common between these two terms. X is common, therefore remaining term 4k minus 25 minus minus and minus sign, minus and minus multiply minus plus 16 minus multiply plus, that is minus 2k. Again 4k minus 25 as it is, minus multiply minus 16, that means positive 16, and minus multiply plus 2k, that means minus 2k, x as it is. And constant term is 8, minus 8 into 8k, minus 8k, minus into minus k square, that is equal to positive k square. Okay, that is the remainder. But in a question, remainder is x plus a. Comparison remainder, dividend polynomial divided by divisor polynomial, that is the quotient polynomial, that one is remainder polynomial. That remainder polynomial is 4k minus 2k, that is equal to 2k minus 25 plus 16, that is equal to minus 9 into bracket into x plus k square, decreasing order of k square minus 8k plus 10. Comparison with the remainder polynomial. Okay, but r of x is equal to x plus a. Therefore, coefficient of x here, coefficient of x is 2k minus 9, and coefficient of x means 1. That is 1 multiply x. Okay. Therefore, comparing these two terms, comparing the coefficient of x and constant term. Therefore, 2k minus 9, that is equal to 1. Therefore, 2k minus 9, that is equal to 1. Therefore, 2k is equal to 1 plus 9. 2k is equal to 10. Therefore, k is equal to 10 divided by 2. k is equal to 5. Okay, find here हमने पहले find कर दिया k. Again comparison with constant term. Constant term is k square minus 8k plus 10, and there k is also constant. Therefore, k square minus 8k plus 10, that is equal to small a. But we find out the value k is equal to 5. Substitute value k is equal to 5. 5 square minus 8 multiply 5 plus 10, that is equal to a 25 minus 40 plus 10, that is equal to a 25 plus 10, 35. 35 minus 40, that is equal to a, therefore a is equal to negative 5. Again simplify. Here dividend polynomial divided by divisor polynomial, x square multiply x, that is x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus ax square. Change the sign, x raised to 4 cancel, plus 2x cube minus 6x cube, that means minus 4x cube, plus 16x square minus kx square. Here x square common, therefore into bracket 16 minus k into x square and minus 25x as it is. Again x square multiply minus 4x, that is equal to minus 4x cube, minus 4x multiply x or minus 4x cube, minus 4x multiply minus 2x, that is equal to positive 8x square, and k multiply minus 4x, that is equal to minus 4kx. Change the sign, this term is 0. Here x square common, 16 minus k minus 8 into bracket, 16 minus k minus 8 into bracket x square. And again here x is common, positive 4k and minus 25. Therefore x is common, 4k minus 25 into bracket x and 10 as it is formed. So 16 minus 8, that is equal to positive 8 minus 8 into x square plus 4k minus 25 into x plus 10. Again x square multiply with 8 minus k, that is equal to 8 minus k into x square. Therefore 8 minus k multiply with x square, 8 minus k x square, 8k multiply minus 2x. See here x is common, 8 multiply minus 2, that is minus 16, and minus k multiplied with minus 2, that is equal to positive 2k into bracket closed into bracket into x plus k multiply 8 minus k, that means 8k minus k square. Change the sign, that term is 0. 4k minus 25, x common, 4k minus 25 minus into minus 16, that is plus 16, minus into plus 2k, that is minus 2k into x, and constant term 10 minus multiply with 8k minus k square, that is minus 8k minus minus plus k square. But here remainder r of x is equal to already x plus 1, and that simplification is 4k minus 2k, 2k minus 25 plus 16 minus 9 into x, and decreasing order of k, that one is a constant term, that one is a coefficient of x, 2k minus 9, comparison with coefficient of x is 1, 2k minus 9 is 1, therefore 2k is equal to 10, therefore k is equal to 5. Substitute k is equal to 5 in constant term, coefficient of that is a constant term, k square minus 8k plus 10, that is equal to a, substitute k is equal to 5, therefore find the value of k is equal to negative 5. Okay, understand? Please subscribe this channel and share and like this video.